So friends, this is Saarthi Parivahan website for means driving license related, and I'm fighting a lot of issues with this website. I just wanted some help and went to this means assistance, and this gives absurd reply, completely absurd reply. There is no means help from this. So there is a feedback complaint form that I have filled up over here, and I have noted down the application and all everything I have noted down. And now you can see what is the absurd kind of reply they are giving. I don't know how this government peoples are not improving their system. Okay, so I have submitted that this is saying please enter valid feedback text, no special characters. So I have entered all the information, but at the same time there is no special character. That's all you can see, but still the reply is not being accepted. I don't know what these guys are doing and what they want, and this is absolutely non-acceptable. And I don't know how to tackle these guys. So it is worst website, means made by the NIC. NIC is the government agency that makes the government websites, and that is servicing these kind of means internet related services of the government. But I don't know, actually few years back also I have given the same comment, but still they have not improved. I don't know what is their problem. Okay, so I think they should do something for themselves and for the citizens. Okay, so this is all. Thank you.